Grabe guys. This is makilling. This is so tiring. Nakalabas na kami sa mud spring. Mud spring dive! Ginawa ng mud spring sa ano ko, shoes. Rest mode.
Wala na akong energy.
Pwede na namin kainin yung natira naming bonete kanina. Meron pa kaming 4.
Thank you. Thanks.
For energy, eat your carbs.
Nice.
This is wildlife, guys. So, wow. Yeah, Tayabak. Campsites. Station 9. We're here. Oh, may tindahan ulit. Wow. We're a live check. Wow, ang ganda. Guys, we're at Station 10. Guys, we can do this. Come on, come on. Ay, grabe, bayanihan feels. Come on, please, let's go. Sakit na ng legs ko, guys. Ayoko na. Payag naman siya.
Takbo din eh.
Ayoko na. Guys, ito daw yung Tayabak, sabi ni Miss Krisha. Di nauubos yung kalsada, guys. Wow, guys, parang, nasa na ba kami?
Wow, parang nasa langit.
Wow, parang, ito ba yung langit, guys? Parang, malapit na kami kay Jesus. Guys, ito na ang dulo ng 30 pesos. Saan aabot ang 30 pesos nyo? Yun na yung dulo, guys. Station 11. Base. Keep your mountain clean. Yan na, may tindahan pa. Walang agila. Wala, ayun lang o, chicken.
Bonsai. Bonsai. Yan, bonsai.
Break time. We're gonna habal. Ayun na nila mag-walk. Sumakses kami. Rate your experience.
Di na ulit.
Ikaw?
Magkakapla siya.
Rate your experience.
Angkas na lang. Next time.
Let's see. Guys, libre daw libre daw ang tour guide pag Holy Week. So, tingnan natin.
Bye,
guys! Thanks for hiking with us!